Hi, in this video you will learn how to build an AI agent with the framework Mastra. This is a framework that let you build the AI agent with a lot of different tools like RAG, like custom tools, like workflow. So I will explain everything to you so you can follow along, and I will also provide some guide so you can also follow the guide, and if you need more information you can ask ChatGPT or Claude, or even send me a message, and I will respond to you. Let's go. Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to build an AI agent in few minutes. So let's go. First thing we are gonna do, we need one thing. I have put together everything you need to install and everything. So as I have everything in my laptop, we will just make the checks. So what you need is Node.js. For example, I am in the terminal right here. So you can type, if you have something, that's mean that you have Node.js on your laptop. So maybe I can zoom in a little bit. Then we need npm. So let's check. I have npm. Don't worry, we have everything inside of the document, so you will be able to follow along. Then we need the TypeScript. So I will just check. And of course, we need an IDE. An IDE is an application where we can write code. So for example, I have cursor, as you can see right here. So you need this. If something is wrong, you can ask, or maybe you can ask ChatGPT or Claude. He will help you. It is easy to follow. So next thing to do, we need, of course, we need Cloud Code because of the help we need. So I have already installed Cloud Code, so I don't need to. So yeah, that's it. Then we need to create our first project. So we will use Mastra AI, as you know. Let's see. All you have to do is go to mastra.ai, as you can see here. And you can just press copy here, go to the terminal. Here we can go, so you can navigate inside of your laptop from the terminal. So for example, I can say cd documents because I wanna go to the document folder. Then I can say, let's see what we have. So I can go to, let's say, I will go to cd Mastra agents, and then I can copy just the command I have copy just before, and then tap enter. We will have to respond to few questions. So what do you want to name your project? We name my project first agents, for example. Do not put any space. It is better to add an union tree. So yeah, everything is installing. It takes few seconds. Then we have a question for the name of the folder. We can just press tab and enter. Then we have to choose the provider for the LLM, for the AI. We will choose OpenAI. And what you can do, you can go to platform.openai.com/API keys. I'll show you now. And we can create, if you don't have an account, you will have to create an account on the platform. this is different than the OpenAI, like ChatGPT account. This is only for developer. So you will create an account and then you need to add a few credits to your account. It is easy to do. So we can create API key, we can copy it, and just to understand, never share this API key. I will delete the API key just after the video, but never, because this is your wallet, this is your money. So yeah, we'll copy it so you can change the menu with the arrow on your keyboard. Tap enter, enter. You can skip for now because we will use Cloud Code, and then everything is initialized. So if you have cursor, you can open cursor, the folder from cursor. I will show you the easiest way. So you can open cursor right here. We can click on open projects. We can go to documents, Mastra agent, first agent, open. So yeah, we are ready to go. Few things to do. So we can open the terminal by Command G on Mac, or this button. We zoom in, this button, and then we can say, so we have we have everything ready. We can just type npm, run dev, and as you can see, we have a link for the playground. We can tap command click, follow the link. I'll show you the screen now. And there you go. You are on the playground of Mastra, and you have an agent right here. So you can talk with the agent. Let's say, hello. As you can see, he is ready to go. There is a few setup to change the model now, so you can see how it works. So you can go back to the code. Here you have a source folder and the Mastra folder, and you have three folder. You have the agent folder, the tool folder, and the workflow folder. So all you have to do is go to the agents, and don't worry, this is very simple. As you can see, we have the instruction of the agents. We have the model name of the LLM. We have the tools. We have an option for memory. We will see it later in details. And we have the storage. So what we can do is go to the model, just change GPT for O by GPT-5, for example, and then we are ready to go. We don't have to do anything, just go back to the page. Where is the page? We can refresh, and as you can see, we have GPT-5. There is a easier way to do it, but we will see later. So we can chat again. For example, we can say that. Oh, that's cool. He has tools. We can try maybe. So let's say, what's the weather in Paris? Because I am in Paris. As you can see, he's responding. He has access to one tool. And yeah, this is the system prompt of the AI. You can, if you want, change the prompt by enhancing the prompt and asking the AI to change for you. You have the model setting here with the temperature and top P, and then we have a lot of advanced setting we can see later. The memory is enabled, so the agent is able to remember the 10 last messages. So this is practical. And yeah, if you want, just try the tool we have, I don't know, can say that. So yeah, we have, we can try the tool separately from the agent, and for the rest, we will see it later. So yeah, let's see another thing. Let's say we want to use Cloud Code to create an agent. So first thing to do, if you don't have the Cloud extension, you can go here and say Cloud, can type Cloud. You will need this one, Cloud Code for VS Code. You have to install it. Of course, I have it installed, so I don't have to. And then you can click uh, in this button and just gain some place. And here we have Cloud Code. So in order to Cloud Code to work, you need an API key, or if you have a plan and a subscription with Cloud AI, you can type /login. You can click on login. You will be redirect to the Cloud AI authentication. So I will show you now. You can just click on authorize, and that's it. So you can be sure that you are using your subscription to Cloud. And then what you can do, let's say, what I like to do for the beginning, you can, for example, say /init. It will give to Claude an understanding to the code base. He will understand everything, and he will be able to to have the context for you in order to help you. So wait for it. You want to check the Git in your file, we can accept. That's not a problem. You are secure because he is in ask mode. So if you want to change it, you have to click on Shift plus Tab. But for the beginning, you can say I want to accept everything, and check everything before accepting. So you can click yes. This is just a Cloud document. To explain in few words, this document is like the memory of Cloud Code. This document is sent to Cloud Code each time he receive a prompt from you, so he can have the memory and understand the code base. You can edit this document if you wanna provide some instruction to Cloud. So another thing we will do, I put some documentation on the file I will send to you. Let's all right. So you have an MCP server for Mastra AI. You can copy from the first accolade and the last one. So you can copy it, and you can go back to Cloud Code. You can right click, new file, .mcp.json, enter. You paste what you just copied. Here we have to exit. We have to close the tab, open again, and then you can say type /mcp. I don't. Maybe we have to. I will just quit everything and go back again. So we are sure that everything is working. We have no MCP server running. Another thing you can do is you can go to the terminal and say Cloud and type Cloud. It has detected the MCP.json. We can say yes, proceed. And then this is exactly the same thing as the extension, just you are in the CLI instead of a really nice chat interface. So we can say /mcp, and we can see here we have the Mastra MCP server that's connected to Cloud Code. So what we can do is just go back to the extension, and we should have everything is connected. So first you connect the MCP server to the CLI, and then you go to the chat interface. The chat interface is so that's maybe this is why it is not working directly. So what you can do, let's say we will run it again, npm run dev. If everything is good, let's say, hello, I wanna learn how to use Mastra, and we follow the course. So as you can see, he has access to an MCP server that is a course created by Mastra in order to help people to learn how Mastra works. So you can say yes. We can provide an email. So I will say, I don't know, shami.com. Can see what the agent is receiving. So as you can see, the agent will have to follow and provide some information to you, and you will be able to learn Mastra step by step as a beginner. And yeah, so let's say everything is explained here. So the agent prompts us to type start Mastra course. Say okay. So you can read to understand what does agent mean and everything. So let's say, can you what? So as you can see, there is a lot of steps. You can follow step by step, and yeah, you have a status URL where you can ask the cloud code to give you. I just click the link, and as you can see, we have everything's everything is tracked and everything is here. So we know our progress, so we can see all the lesson we will have to follow. So everything is here to help you. And I think that's it for today. So yeah, I will put the document in a drive so you can have access to it. So yeah, thank you. Bye bye.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.